Alright, Dad, so here's your data table and solver, or pivot table and solver homework. So let us start. I'm going to go with, you're going to open up this sheet, which you already have, and then we're going to install solver in the analysis tool pack. Don't follow these instructions here, they're not right. They're poorly written. So go to your sheet, we're going to go move your mouse up to the top, you're going to click on tools, you're going to go down to add-ins at the bottom, and then just check these two boxes. And hit OK. Alright, so that was step 1 and 2. Step 3, go to workout plan and select cell E10. Okay, why is this being swirly well? Come on now. Okay, there we go. Whoops. Workout plan. Select, we're going to select E10, which is that one. Okay. And then we're going to see add scenarios to worksheet. It's going to say click on the what if analysis. This is in the data tab, forecast group. And we're going to click scenario manager. And we're going to hit add, name something, and we'll go from there. So we're going to go to data, data, go to what if analysis right here, scenario manager. We're going to hit that plus button, which is the add. We're going to name this basic plan. And then we are going to, says, click changing cells box and select cells D5 to D9. So this is the changing cells box, that little thing right here, that arrow. So we'll click that, and we'll go down to D5 to D9, and then click that same box. Okay, we'll hit OK. Alright, and then it says click add to add another scenario. Okay, we'll hit add. Okay, and then we're going to type double. Whoops. Double. And then keep the changing cells as is. Okay, so that means we're going to keep these values right here the same. And then click OK. Now it says change the values to 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. Alright, so kind of look at this as a key. So HIIT is 2, running 2, Zumba 4, water 2, strength 2. Okay, so HIIT, make sure it's highlighted. We're going to change this value to 2. I hit OK. And then we're going to go back to double. And we're going to... What's going on? Okay, so I figured it out. So make sure double selected. We're going to hit edit. And we're going to go, I'm just going to hit OK. So make sure you hit that. Make sure you type 2. And then move to the next one. Type 2. Move to Zumba. Type 4, which I already did. Move to water. Type 2. And move to strength and type 2. And then hit OK. Alright, so that was what you wanted to do for here. And once you've done that, we're going to hit OK, which we did, and then we're going to hit close. Okay. So now we're going to use solver. Solver is a really cool technique. I've used it before. So we're going to go to solver in the data table, data tab, analyze group. So data, solver is going to be, where is solver? Oh my gosh. Where's solver? Solver, it's on there. It's just over in this corner. Took me a minute. Okay, so we'll hit solver. And then this will pop up. And this is fun right here. So it says select cell E10 for the set objective box. So set objective box is this one. Click on this, and we're going to click on E10. We're going to click this again. Boom. All right, and then it's going to say, click the value of radio button and type 3500. Okay, so value of right there. We're going to type 3500. Okay. And then step D is going to say, click the by changing variable cells box and select cells D5 to D7. Okay, by changing this one right here. D5 to D7, D5 to D7. Okay, look up here. And then this basically explains what's going on. So basically what you're saying is you're saying, okay, this cell right here, I'll move it over so you can see. Oops, maybe I won't. Oh, there it goes. So this cell right here, you're going to say we want it to be a max of 3500. And we're going to change these cells to see which one of these gives us this value if water aerobics and strength training stay the same. Okay, so the idea is to burn as many calories as you can. And in this case, we want 3,500 exactly. And so Solver lets you pick and plug and choose numbers. And so that's what you're learning right now. Okay, so then it says step 6, add constraints to the Solver problem. We're going to click to the right of the subject to the constraints box. I'm going to click add. Okay. We're going to select cell D5 for the cell reference box. So cell reference, we're going to click that. I'm going to select D5. Boom. This again. Okay. And then we're going to choose the greater than or equal to. Equal to, and then we're going to click on the constraint box and type 2, suggesting the exercise must be done at least twice a week. Okay, so 2. Alright, and so then it says steps E, we're going to click add to add the remaining constants. So these are things that we're going to say need to happen. So for example, in this one we're saying high interval training we can only do twice a week. We can't do more than that, otherwise our body's not going to do it. And then we're going to go down here to D6 and say we can only run 4 times a week, and so on. So that's the whole idea. Okay. So we're going to hit add. We're going to add another one, and we're going to say D5 is less than or equal to 4. Okay. So we're going to click here again, go to D5, click this, less than or equal is already selected, and we're going to click 4. No. Frick. Where's my mouse? Frickin' thing. Okay. Uh-oh. The mouse went away, and then I was able to figure it out. So, anyways, we're going to go back here and click add. We're going to say D5. Click here, select D5. Okay. Click here again. Less than or equal to, already selected. And we're going to click constraint, which is 4. So it's suggesting that you can't do high intensity interval training greater than 4 times. You can do it. It has to be more than 2, but less than 4. Hit add. Add the next scenario. D6 less than or equal to 3. D6 less than or equal 3. 3. There we go. Click add. D6 is greater than or equal to 1. So D6 is also greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. Click add. D7 less than or equal to 4. D7 less than or equal to 4. 4. Click add. D7 greater than or equal to 1. Okay. We'll hit OK. So these are all your constraints. Boom. All right. We already did that. Okay. We're going to choose GRG nonlinear for the select a solving method. Okay, so we're going to do that right here. Select a solving method. We're going to go to GRG nonlinear. Okay. And I'll stop here and then I'll give you the next video.